The rules of 72. So financial strategy. So what is the rule of 72? So in this presentation, I'm going to try to have an understanding of the rule of 72. It's a simple guide to, you know, to doubling your investments. So when diving into the world of investing, knowing how your cash can multiply is key to smart money moves. So enter the rule of 72. This is your handy dandy, shortcut to estimate how your investment might double at a set annual return rate. You know. So we will unravel the magic behind the rule of 72, explore how it works, and discover why it's a must-have trick for anyone aiming to kind of fatten their wallets. So the question goes like this: what is the rule of 72? So rule of 72 is a formula used to determine the number of years required to double the amount of your investment at a specific annual rate of return. The formula is simply uh, dividing 72 by the annual interest rate. So that will tell you how many years it will take for your money to double. Just for example, you know, assuming you have an investment, that earns 6% annual return. So you will calculate the doubling time by dividing 72 by 6, which will give you 12 years. So so this means that your investment will take approximately 12 years to double in value at a consistent 6% return or whatever interest rate that you were given. So how this works, the rule of 72 is based on the principle of compound interest, which is the process of earning interest on both the original principal and any accumulated interest. While the rule provides an approximation, it is relatively accurate for rate of return that are commonly encountered in investment scenarios. So here is a quick table to illustrate how the rule of 72 applies to different interest rates. You can see at an interest rate of 1%, it will take 72 years for your money to double. And you can see how the uh, the years of doubling reduces as the interest rate increases. So at an interest rate of 11%, it will take your money 6.55 years to double. So practical application of the rule of 72, you know. So setting investment goals. So by knowing how long it takes, to double your investment, you can set realistic financial goals. If your target is to have a certain amount of money saved for a major purchase or retirement, rule of 72 help you determine how much to invest and at what rate to double your investment. You also use it in comparing investment. So the rule of 72 can help you assess potential investment opportunities. If you come across various investment options with different rates of return, you can use the rule to compare how quickly each option will grow your money. Also, understanding the impact of interest rate. So it highlights the importance of interest rate in the investment landscape. So even a small increase in the interest rate can significantly reduce the time needed to double your investment. Even though we know all this about the rule of 72, it also has its limitations. So while rule of 72 is a useful guideline, it does have its limitations. So here are some of the limitations. So it's not exact. So rule of 72 provide approximation, not a precise calculation. The actual time to double can vary based on market conditions and fluctuations in interest rates. So applicable to returns under 15%. So the rule is most effective for annual interest rates that are between 6% and 10%. So for extremely high rates, greater than 15%, the result may be less accurate. And also inflation and taxes. So 0.72 does not account for inflation or taxes, which can significantly affect the real returns. It's important to factor these elements into your financial planning. So in conclusion, the rule of 72 is a powerful yet simple tool for anyone interested in maximizing their financial potential. So by offering a quick way to estimate how long it will take for investment to double, it empowers individuals to set realistic financial goals, to compare investment options and appreciate the effect of compound interest. Whether you are a beginner in investing or you are looking to refine your, financial strategy, understanding and applying the rule of 22 can put you in the path of better financial literacy and also, increase wealth over time. So the next time, you are evaluating your investment choices, don't forget to apply this handy rule. Your future self, may thank you. Thank you.